Here's how to reinstall Windows on your PC or how to factory reset your computer. First of all, open your computer settings. In settings, click on System. Under System Settings, scroll down and click on Recovery. And here, click on Reset PC. And choose an option to reset your PC. You can choose Keep My Files. This removes apps and settings but keeps your personal files. Or you can select Remove Everything. This removes all your personal files, apps and settings. So if you want to factory reset your computer and you want to reinstall Windows, you can select Remove Everything. And select how would you like to reinstall Windows. You can choose Cloud Download or you can choose Local Reinstall. Now just go ahead and click on Next and follow next steps to completely factory reset your PC and reinstall your Windows. Thanks for watching.